Hi everyone, Mrs. Buckler here for class messages. Hope you're all well. It's lovely to see you all on the Zoom every morning, and well done to the people who've managed to get on the Zoom this week who've not been able to before. Really, really good. My lockdown learner this week is Joshua, because he does some fantastic work. He always manages to get all his work finished. He sticks all his sheets in, and his presentation's fantastic. So well done, Joshua. You are my lockdown learner for this week. I'd just like to say also that Yassine, well done, because I've marked your work this week and you've tried really hard. I got about 2 to 3 weeks worth of work from you. So well done for getting your work in. Keep it up, Yassine, because it's really impressive when you try really hard. So well done, Yassine. Okay, guys, next week, it's our last week in school before half term. And we have got a few things to finish. So we are going to be finishing our measures work in maths, and there'll be PowerPoints every day and worksheets to complete. Then for the last couple of days in maths, I thought I'd do a little bit of an assessment. So one day on the Thursday, there's going to be a little bit of an arithmetic assessment, and the sheets are in your pack, but there's a PowerPoint that explains some of the questions to help you. So to give you a bit of a clue as about how to answer some of the arithmetic questions. And then on Friday, you've got a reasoning assessment where you are answering questions that are a bit more tricky, a bit like word problems. Most of the questions are related to the work we've covered over the last half term. So looking at measures and looking at fractions, decimals and percentages. So have a really good go at those, and that's Thursday and Friday. Ari, we've got our next session to do with commitment, and we're looking at Jesus' teaching this week. And then you've got a new reciprocal read to complete. Science, if you manage to do your science investigation or set it up, you should have some mouldy bread somewhere in your house. If you've not done that, don't worry too much about it. But part of your science is looking at a PowerPoint and thinking about why the bread's gone mouldy and what's caused it, and writing a little bit of a conclusion. But also you're looking at more to do with microorganisms and maybe designing your own microorganism. For geography, we're finishing our topic, and I'd like you to write a non-chronological report about South Africa. So all the information that you have collated over the last few weeks, can you write it in a non-chronological report, please? So you might do a page on animals, you might do a page on Table Mountain, you might do a page on Nelson Mandela, you might do a page on using a map and showing where South Africa is in the world, those sorts of things. So that would be really good to see what you can come up with that. Wednesday, we're going to have No Device Wednesday afternoon again. You can decide what you want to do, really. However, I have put some mindfulness colouring sheets in your pack. So if you want to just sit in colour, that can be a really relaxing activity for you to do. And I've chosen South African animals and South African landmarks for you to colour. So that's in your pack too for No Device Wednesday afternoon. Remember to keep logging on to all your things. Read Theory, Times Tables, Rockstars and Mathletics and Duolingo, and keep practicing your French, guys. And I'm still really missing you. I hope we can get back to normal as soon as possible. I think that's everything for this week. Okay, nice to see you all. Hopefully see you all soon. Make sure you keep up on the Zoom and make sure you complete all the work in your packs, please, especially the English, because remember, some people haven't managed to get that done when I've marked them this week. So I want to see a little bit more work from some of you this week, please. Thank you. Bye.